Ahoy, mateys! Arg! Welcome to Pee-Wee-Dactyl's PlayBoat!
Hey, Pee-Wee-Dactyl, who's that on the boat with you?
Hey, Jeb. That's former children's show star Rusty the Rooster. Say hi, Rusty.
Hi, Rusty.
Oh, can we pull into port? These waves are making me want to hurl.
Well, if we pull in somewhere, then where's the fun in that? I prefer to pull out!
I see what you did there.
Seriously? I'm about to...
Bless you.
Oof. I haven't felt this bad since Jerome brought in that warm sushi.
Rusty doesn't have his sea legs yet!
Yeah, no, Sherlock.
You should fly to shore. You might feel better.
I'm a chicken. We're flightless. Oh, Lord. I'm a pterodactyl dinosaur. We can fly. We can fly. You're a bit of a jerk, you know that? Oh, dear.
Hey, Rusty, you know another word for barfing on a boat?
I can think of a few choice words right now.
You don't know it.
Red freakies. Why don't you say them? You're enjoying this, aren't you? You're enjoying my pain.
There's a name for your pain.
You don't know it. Come on the show, my agent said. Promote your movie, my agent said. It'll be fine, my agent said. Nowhere did he mention a boat or that I'd be this seasick.
That's it! That's the secret word! Yeah, that's the secret word! That's today's secret word. The secret word is seasick!
Barf it, water.
You're a real you know that?
Hey, language. Oh, look, I can be seasick. Barf, barf, barf. Oh, I wonder who's gonna clean up that mess. Not it. Not it.
What?